We got a brand new 2024 BMW 330i. It also fits the 430i, but we got something really cool. We got an AEM air intake, and we got an AWE catback system, all right? This is the track edition. It's the most aggressive setup. It does come with a set of 4.5-inch stainless tips. This is the system right here, 3-inch all the way through. It does come with a band clamp, so no welding required. You can do this in your garage all the way through. 3-inch high flow Y pipe, and then geo-slapping the tips on there. These are the tips. They come with a sweet set of stainless 4.5-inch AWE tips. Gonna look pretty badass out the back. Boom. Gonna look sick. So yeah, the new tips from AWE really fill out the cutout. They also make them in black diamond, which is pretty sweet. I do prefer the stainless. It pops a lot more, but if you have a black car or a gray car, black is definitely where it's at. So if you're looking for an AWE kit, it's available on our website, also available at Exhaust Davie Oakland Park. And when we're done, we're gonna rev it for you, let you guys hear what it sounds like with just the exhaust, and then we're gonna bring it around back and do the air intake so you guys get to hear what a full upgrade sounds like with the air intake and exhaust. We got the BMW all done. We got Mitch's bagels all done, almost done. AEM, air intake on that thing. Pretty sweet setup. The combo with the AWE, super sick. Really solid for performance. Should make about 25 horsepower. We're doing train it, rev it for you guys. Thanks to Mitch, you know, and his bagels and shit. Fire bagels. Got Fort Lauderdale, got Bimmer Pines. And you guys should definitely try Microfree. Sponsored by Microfree. I'm gonna crank it, rev it for you guys. Let me know what you think. Or Mike's gonna crank it. That's it. That's the AWE cap batch system with the stainless 4.5-inch tips. Pretty sweet. Like I said, there's a black tip option and stainless option. Hold on. Mitch's bagels, baby. Sick bagels. Anyways, we're right on the corner of 441 and Griffin, right down the street from the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. You guys should see it in the backdrop. Pretty sweet building over there. We're right next door, so if you're close, you're local, you hit us up, just pull up to the shop, you know? We also got another one in Wilton Manors, Oakland Park, you know, that part of town, you know what I'm saying? We got that, so we're accommodating all, I didn't want to say the next word, but all exhausts. Thank you, Mike. So that was a combo we usually sell a lot of, air intake and exhaust. 330 BMW, we have it available for 430. The M5, the 540, you name it, we have a combo for it. So if you guys are local, hit us up, stop by the shop. If you're not, gexhaust.com, guys. Go online, check out the website. It's a cool site. We worked really hard on it. And like, comment, subscribe, guys. Share this to anybody who has a 430 or a 330. The car is identical. There's no difference in parts. So if you have a 330, the 430 parts fit. If you have a 430, 330 parts fit, which is pretty cool. Interchangeable, guys. So yeah, man, that's it. That's the build. That's what it sounds like. And we out, guys. Like, comment, subscribe.